Hey guys, it's Lyssa Marie here. Welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for this video today. I know I say that every time, but I am because this is the first time that I've done like so much experimentation with my hair, and I'm actually pretty happy with how it came out. So my hair is still too short to push it back and do like a half up, half down style. So I kind of tried to remix it a little bit, and this is what I came up with. This is actually like a pretty simple hairstyle to do. I am still trying to master the art of French braiding, so I decided to go with twists instead, which is like 10,000 times easier. So if you don't know how to French braid, then this is gonna be like the perfect video for you. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look, then just continue to watch. Alright, so I'm starting off with dry, crazy, frizzy hair, but I'm gonna leave it dry because to me when my hair is dry, it's a bit easier to part. So I'm just gonna grab a comb and do 2 parts to create that middle section. So once we have the middle part all sectioned out, then I'm gonna grab the Aunt Jackie's Buttercream Intensive Moisture Sealant. This is just gonna put back some moisture into my curls, kind of just refresh them and get the hair poppin' and prepped and ready to be twisted. After I moisturize my hair, I realized that I'm gonna need to grab some clips to clamp down the rest of my hair to avoid it getting in the way of that section. So I just grabbed 2 clamp clippy thingies and clamped away the rest of the hair so it wouldn't get in the way while I was trying to twist it. And then after the buttercream, I'm gonna go in with the Curl Boss Coconut Curling Gel. This is gonna help to avoid any kind of frizz or any flyaways after the hair has already been twisted, and also help to hold it in place. And once all the product is in, I'm using a brush to smooth out my hair to kind of activate the product and again just combat any kind of frizz, because we don't want any frizz or flyaways once we've finished all the twists. So to twist your hair, you just want to twist it into a little spiral and keep grabbing more hair as you go back. So once I reach to the end, then I just use the elastic band to secure the twist. So now that the middle twist is secured, then I'm just gonna move on to the next twist. So again, doing the same exact thing for this twist that I did with the last one. So going in with the buttercream first, then the gel. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and I just repeat the same exact steps for each twist. Then once all the twists are in, you know we got to deal with these edges, hunty. So I just went in with that same DIY curl refresher to just wet my edges, and then just use the Curl Boss Coconut Gel to lay them flat. Alright, and then the last step is to just spice it up a little bit with these cute little gold foil clips that I found just at like a hole in the wall hair shop here. But yeah guys, that is it. I only used 2 products, well 3 I guess if you include the DIY curl refresher, but I feel like that doesn't really count. So I only used 2 products to create this hairstyle, and it was super easy. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Super simple, sweet, to the point. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so we can just continue to be on this natural hair journey together. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!